Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by powering off and removing the SIM tray, then place the phone on a heat-resistant mat. Apply steady heat to the lower bezel at roughly 80-90 degrees C to loosen adhesive. This prevents cracking the glass. Once the adhesive softens, use a suction cup and thin plastic picks to lift the display edge slowly. You work inch by inch to prevent tearing flex cables. This is critical because rushing here is the main cause of irreparable connector damage. With the display slightly open, prop it safely and remove the small screws holding the connector bracket. Keep screws organized by size. Once the bracket is off, use a plastic spudger to disconnect the display and digitizer cables. Don't yank. Lift the locking tabs first. Remove the old screen assembly, transferring the front camera bracket or adhesive strips to the new panel if they do not come pre-installed. This ensures proper sealing and sensor alignment when you reinstall the new assembly. Reconnect the display and digitizer cables and reseat the metal bracket. Once secured, power the phone on briefly to verify touch response, brightness, cameras, and charging. If everything works, power off again and remove the temporary props. Apply new adhesive strips or liquid adhesive around the frame, align the new screen precisely, and press evenly to bond. If using liquid adhesive, let it cure per instructions. If the screen is unresponsive or shows artifacts,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.